In this video, we're going to walk through all the settings and permissions available for Workspace admins and owners to configure within Read. These settings allow you to control how Read works across your organization. Let's dive in. To get started, as an admin or owner, you'll need to go to the Manage Workspace page, where you can find at the bottom left-hand menu. There you'll see two of the main categories, Settings and Permissions. Let's first look at the Settings category. These are settings that can apply to all users in your workspace and include key configurations for how Read functions. Starting with Join Preferences. Within Meeting Role, you can specify which meetings Read will automatically join based on the user's calendar. You can choose whether Read joins all meetings, only those where the user is the host, or meetings that users manually select. Additionally, you can decide whether Read joins internal meetings only or both internal and external ones with meeting types. Next, for Read Assistant settings, the Assistant settings let you customize how Read's Assistant looks when it joins calls. You can display the Assistant's name, a custom logo, or meeting metrics like remaining meeting time and participation talk time. You can also set whether users are allowed to change these settings within your workspace. For Meeting Insights, you can control whether Read generates transcripts and reports for meetings, and whether it stores and allows playback of audio and video. Under Reporting, you can customize access to summaries, metrics, downloads, integrations, report sharing, and distribution. You can control access for internal and external participants based on email domain and decide whether meeting recaps or topic summaries can be distributed to others. For integrations, you can customize access to messaging, email, CRM collaboration, and workflow integrations. For tagging, you can manage custom tags for organizations, reports, and set up custom vocabulary to help improve transcript accuracy for terms specific to your business. For Email Digest, you can customize email frequency for users in the workspace. For Workspace actions, there are a few key actions that you can take as a Workspace admin for Workspace actions. Migrate meetings. If you've had meetings outside of your workspace, you can migrate those into your workspace to consolidate reports and metrics. Transfer workspace ownership. As the workspace owner, you can transfer ownership to another user, but be careful as this action can't be undone. If needed, you can also delete workspaces, but remember, this is a permanent action. Finally, let's move on to permissions. These settings let you control access to features based on users' roles within your workspace. Meeting report access. You can designate who has access to meeting reports, including whether they can view transcripts, audio, or video playback. You can also control who can see reports for their team members. Aggregate metrics and trends. You can specify who can access aggregate metrics and trends for both individual teams and workspaces as a whole. Advanced permissions. Here you can set membership rules and advanced viewership controls. There can also be advanced settings like controlling who can invite users to the workspace and how to manage users' access across multiple teams. You can also allow only admins or both admins and managers to invite new members. That's a quick overview of the key settings and permissions available for managing your workspace by Read.